If you're experiencing pending transfers on Revolut, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check transfer status. Open the Revolut app and navigate to the Transactions tab. Look for the pending transfer to see its current status and any notes that may indicate why it is pending. Step 2. Verify recipient details. Ensure that the recipient's details, such as their account number or email, are correct. Incorrect information can cause delays in the transfer process. Step 3. Review transfer limits. Check if you have exceeded any transfer limits set by Revolut. If you have, you may need to wait until the limit resets or contact support for assistance. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the transfer remains pending after verifying the details, reach out to Revolut's customer support through the app. They can provide specific information about the transfer and help resolve any issues. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes pending transfers may take longer due to bank processing times. If everything appears correct, give it some time and check back later to see if the transfer has been completed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Revolut. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.